you. So my gift for you, our treasure that I would like to give you is the gift of our treasure of knowledge. So knowledge is always a part of our life as you continue to grow into a great woman that you will be. You will always be, facing trials and challenges. And of course, along the way, you will somehow give up or what. You know what? Indeed, every mountain that you, for example, or indeed every mountain that you, it's not really those challenges or those difficulties that will lead that mountain is you. So therefore, with this book of knowledge that would inspire you as you go along in your college life, it would be really very tough. Indeed, it is very tough. But then, of course, she's believing in herself that in every challenge she has